Kung napapanood mo to, that means a few hours from now, magsisimula na yung Black Friday. So, ito yung final batch of mga featured items, no? So, actually, almost all the puzzles, no, kasama siya sa Black Friday sale. Pero yung some of the highlights, isa-isahin natin, mga big ticket items natin. First one, this is called the Sword Lego box, no? This is a puzzle box, a secret box, no? We did a content about this, na buksan na natin siya, no? And the selling price, regular price niya, it's 74,950. And Black Friday price natin, it's 22,450 na lang.
Baba! Wow!
Parang may sapak yung mga may problema sa pag-iisip, no? Next, meron tayo. Next one is the Grand Pass Gramophone. This is also a secret box made of Lego blocks, no? And regular price niya is 69,950. We only have one of this, And yung sale price niya, ready ka na mag-react? Ang sale price niya, it's 20,950.
Biling ko yan!
Sabi mo yan, Sabi mo yan. Ayan. Next, we have this one is the Living on the Edge puzzle box. No? This is also a secret box. It's made of Lego pieces rin, no? Ayan, no? Pwede mo close up yan. Tapos na-solve na rin natin to, di ba, pre? Medyo difficulty na to. 5 ba? Or 4 or 5 out of 6, no? And pricing niya, it's 31,450. Regular price. And for the Black Friday price, ayusin mo yung ano mo, yung reaction mo, is 9,450.
Kunin niyo na! Kunin niyo na!
may pag-iling-iling pa. And this one of our prize puzzles here, this is the Lazel Flare 212. This is made, each piece is made of titanium, and this is the world's smallest. I think, hindi ko alam kung ito pa rin ba yung smallest. This is one of the smallest jigsaw puzzles na na-produce. This is made of titanium. And kasama na dito sa set yung wooden frame na to. May glass pa to. Pwede mong i-cover, which we took away. But kasama rin yun. Regular price na it's 59,950. And for Black Friday price, ready ka na? Drum roll, drum roll. parang may problema talaga sa pag-iisip. Regular price niya, it's drum roll. 29,950. Ayan, ito na yan.
Akin na lang kayo.
Sa kanya, bibilin mo na. Ayan. Tapos this one, no? This is one of our flagship puzzles, no? Actually, ang dami na ring views nito and marami na rin tayong memories dito. Nakakalungkot, no? And actually, we have to let this go. The regular price nito, it's 100,000. To be frank with you, all of this, even the build, it costs mga 70,000. Build, the puzzle itself plus the build cost, kasi pinagawa namin siya sa friends namin, no? So, cost nito, it's 70,000. It took Anton, our friend, 3 months. 3 months. And ilang pieces to? 1,000 ba? 1,000 plus pieces and then 3 months of building time. Kasi may electronics pa siya sa loob, no? From 100,000, and then yung cost namin, it's 70,000 roughly, no? Benta na lang natin siya for Black Friday only. Ready ka na? Gandahan mo yung reaction mo. It's 20,000 na lang.
Pwede na! Pwede na!
Pwede na. No? So, this one, you'll be getting everything, even the acrylic box. It's as is per is. No? So, exact unit yung ano nyo. I think we have 2 units ba? 2 units yung naka-display dito sa store. And exactly itong mga units yung makukuha nyo when you purchase for 20,000. No? So, medyo mabigat. Hindi ko nga alam, medyo this Black Friday, malaki ang medyo lugi natin. No? But anyway, as long as you get to enjoy of all of this dun sa nararapat na puzzle collector na mag-e-enjoy dito, okay?
Mag-i-enjoy ako.
Mag-e-enjoy daw siya. So, kita-kita tayo. Mamaya na to. In a few hours from now, 12 a.m. Pagpatak ng 12 a.m. sa runitlex.com. Exclusively online for 24 hours only. Black Friday sale, okay? Yun lang.